So if you want to check voicemail on your Android device, first of all locate your phone application, open it up. Here within our phone application we have to dial a keypad to bring up the dial pad. In Samsung you are simply to tap on the keypad option, right? And we have to enter and press our number 1. So here's our voicemail. The process may vary depending on the region and the country you're living in, right? Once connected, you have to listen to the automated voicemail system. You may need to enter your PIN or follow prompts and listen to save or delete messages. So after checking your messages, simply press end call, and that's it. So for some newer models, for some pixels and so on, you can open up a phone settings. Usually it's 3 buttons like I have them, settings. Now there you are to find your voicemail tab. And once again, on Samsung's and specifically on my device, I don't have this option. However, on newer phones, you can set up a visual voicemail. So navigate to your voicemail section and there you'll find your visual voicemail. You have to toggle it on to view a list of your voicemail messages directly in the app. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.